morning. Well, it's about 6:45. Got a little chilly last night, but other than that, it seemed to go smooth. Got my mic on this time so you guys can hear me a little bit better. Trying to think here. Yeah, she's a meower now. Seeing new things. Well, I think we're ready to hit the road, so you're going to be able to see how easy it was to get in and out of here pretty well. Buckle up for safety. Where we swing wide. It's just a narrow 2-track kind of road. No low trees at all, so that's a plus. But it was just about a mile in. Just back road, so just kind of give you an idea how it looks. All right. Talk to you later. Take a look at that view across. Beautiful, huge lake. It's Lake Tupamanon, or not Tupamanon, Wataman Lake. That is quite interesting. That is quite a view.
When you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will dry them all. I'm on your side. Get rough, and friends just can't be found like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down.
we just got done with the Quamanon Falls, the upper part. Nice little walk. Going up the stairs really sucked, but other than that, it worked. It was beautiful. I shared a picture on Facebook, and I have a little slow-mo video I'll throw on there also. But it was a well worth trip of looking at that. So on to the next section of Upper Peninsula, which would be Pictured Rocks. So I will see you guys when we get there. Well, I made it to Pictured Rocks finally. The right way instead of going the bad way. Nice little visitor center right over there. Here, take a look here. Lower overview. Look at that. That looks like the ocean. Can't see much over here. A little breezy though. Nice little walk through. You can see all. This is the cool part. Way over there, you can see the fall. That is awesome. Thank you everyone for watching that video. I'm still trying to keep it stable. I'm still working on that, trying to find some settings in the cameras themselves, and I'm also working on editing as best I can. So stay tuned. My apologies again for not being able to do this earlier, but where I stayed that night, I had very little internet access. Right now where I'm at, I'm using a signal from the place. So just wanted to keep you updated. So I will probably upload today's video tomorrow. So look forward to that. All right. Everyone have a great day, and thanks for watching.